Hey, I'm Guido and this is Try Trying Harder. Today we have a robot in disguise, a transformer, a Bumblebee Performance G1 robot by Robosen. Robosen and Best Buy gave me the opportunity to review this product for them. However, we're going to do just an unboxing in this video to go over the contents, and later I'll record a review. So, here's a close look at what that robot's going to look like. And let's just dive into this box. They used some pretty thick tape on this. Okay. Oh man, this thing's tight. So it's nice they put in some effort on the outside box. Here's the inside box. Let's see. Well, yeah, obviously this bag is not a toy. Got some nice packaging here. Oh yeah. There's a color view of the robot. Like I said, a Performance Bumblebee. Here's a little blueprint looking version of it. Transformers. Got a little spiel here. Let's see what it says. Cognition, advanced computing, advanced language processing, accessibility, voice-activated remote control, skills and action library, stability, advanced adaptive control algorithm, and mobility and flexibility. 17 high-precision servo motors, programming enabled. Sounds pretty high-tech for a little toy. Let's rip into this thing. This is licensed by Hasbro, so everything should look authentic. This is some pretty nice packaging. Really nice foam, embossed Transformers logo. You got your Robosen logo. Here's some instructions. And you don't get to see the robot yet. So there's a let's get started little guide here. Hey Bumblebee. All that just for this little special envelope. And you got the quick start guide, always a must go to. A safety manual. That's pretty thick. I don't know if I should be concerned about this robot going sentient, and an FCC warning. All that aside, here we go. This feels heavy duty. Don't eat. And got 2 boxes here. Ooh. He's got a little gun. Pew pew. Looks like it might have maybe a light on the end of it. There you go. Woo! Hot potato. And then, what's going to be in here? Ooh, also very important is a charging cable. Can't be fighting Decepticons on a low battery. And in the bigger box, we have the important for said charging. Alright. This is, I don't even want to throw that away. I think we have to repackage him in that. This guy looks pretty cool. I don't know if you can hear all of his little servos. There's just a slight amount of resistance that Helps kind of keep him in position, but looks like you got able to move the thumb some, hand a little bit. He's got a servo in his elbow, and his shoulders, head. Nothing really in the body, and then got some hip movement, a knee joint, and that's kind of an ankle joint. And then this should slide right into his, well, it should, into his hand. There you go. And looks like maybe his headlight feet might light up. Pretty smooth bottoms, but no wheels, so he's gonna actually walk. You got a speaker. I'll give you that speaker on the back. There's his charging port, and right on top of here is the power switch. There's a little closer look at Bumblebee. I'm gonna have to charge this up and give him a try. Let's just see what happens though. Anything? Bueller. Hiya,
friend. Bumblebee here.
Hey, came with a charge. Hey, Bumblebee.
How's it going?
Great. How you doing, Bumblebee?
How's it going?
Yeah, not very good conversationalist. There's a little sneak peek of what this guy does. Well, here's the contents of the box. Mostly a robot and a few other things. Hey, Bumblebee.
How's it going?
Dance.
Hey, let's bust a move.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of this robot. Let me know if there's some things you want me to try out in the review. And, like Bumblebee dancing.
How's it going?
Try trying harder.